How was your day?
Good.
You bought your mermaid? Okay. Ready to go in?
Yeah.
You're going in the house. Go ahead.
What's that?
I don't know. What does it say? Open it up. Try the other side, maybe. No, hurry up. Pop that open. Looks like you got some mail. Or something. What? Are you sure? Or maybe you went away and got cleaned up. I don't know. Who's happy? Want to go to Guinea Park?
Yeah.